You are
grounded. I hate my summer school so bad I tried burning down my school with a Capri Sun package, but with the power of Eon logic the school got rebuilt. So what can I do to get rid of it? I know today is the 4th of July. I will blow up my school by putting fireworks in the school locker. Since I have a $100 Visa gift card with me, I can buy the fireworks now. Let's go to the fireworks store, buy the fireworks so I can blow up my school. Now it's time to get out of here before something bad happens.
Rosie, why did you blow up your school with fireworks?
Because I hate summer school.
That's no reason to blow up your school. That's it, I'm calling your parents and you are expelled from Landfield Middle School. Go home now while I call your parents.
Oh, Rosie.
How dare you blow up your school with fireworks?
But I hate summer school.
You have no choice, you have to go to summer school.
That's it, you're grounded for
6.2 million years.
Go in your room and never come out.